The essence of Chokkan is its precision. Each element serves a purpose within the overall design, reflecting the artist's vision. Practitioners invest time in grooming and maintaining the bonsai, ensuring that each branch flourishes in its designated place. Regular pruning allows the bonsai to develop a balanced form, while careful watering promotes vibrant growth. The careful selection of soil further enhances the tree's health, enabling it to thrive within the constraints of its pot. As we explore bonsai, it becomes clear that each step is a form of meditation and artistry fused together, culminating in a living masterpiece that tells a story of nature's beauty. In Chokkan, attention to detail is paramount. Even the placement of each leaf is considered. The elegance of this style requires patience and dedication, rewarding the artist with a stunning portrayal of nature's tranquility. The journey of creating a Chokkan bonsai is not just about the end product, but also about the connection formed with the tree. Over time, the artist learns to read the tree's subtle signals, adapting their care techniques to meet its specific needs as it matures. This intimate process fosters a deep appreciation for the natural world's cycles and rhythms. In conclusion, mastering the Chokkan bonsai style embodies a profound relationship between art and nature, guiding both the artist and the viewer toward a serene appreciation of life's harmony. As you delve into bonsai, remember that each tree is a dialogue, a testament to patience, dedication, and the beauty of meticulous craftsmanship.